Meaning of idly.
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 Idly. Idly is an adverb that means something is done in a lazy or inactive manner, with no particular purpose or intention. It implies a lack of energy or enthusiasm to engage in any meaningful activity. When someone does something idly, it is typically without much thought or effort, and often results in time being wasted or unproductive. For example, if someone says they are idly scrolling through social media, it suggests they are not really focused on anything specific, but rather just passing the time. Overall, idly connotes a lack of purpose and direction.